Hello students, welcome to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss some very important multiple choice questions on the topic photosynthesis. So let us begin with the questions. The first question is, the process of photosynthesis takes place in. We all know that the process of photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast. Inside the plant cell, there is a specialized organ which is called as chloroplast, and in chloroplast, the process of photosynthesis takes place. Next question is, which of the following light induces the maximum rate of photosynthesis? So in this picture also we can see that the maximum rate of photosynthesis occurs in the red light region. So the correct answer to this question is red light. Next question is, the first stable product of C3 pathway is. In case of a C3 pathway, the first stable product is a 3 carbon compound, that is PGA or phosphoglyceric acid. Next question is, the first stable product of C4 pathway is. In C4 pathway, the first stable compound is a 4 carbon compound, that is oxaloacetate or oxaloacetic acid. Next question is, which of the following nutrient makes up the central molecule of chlorophyll atom? So this is the molecule of chlorophyll and the central atom is a magnesium ion. So the correct answer is magnesium makes up the central molecule of the chlorophyll atom. Next question is, the Kranz anatomy is found in leaves of which of the following type of plants? So this is the diagram of the Kranz anatomy, in which the chloroplast is divided into two cells, that is mesophyll cells and the bundle sheath cells. So this type of typical anatomy is found in case of C4 plants, and because of this kind of anatomy or the Kranz anatomy, the photosynthetic efficiency of C4 plants is very high as compared to C3 plants. Next question is, the process of photosynthesis was discovered by. Jan Ingenhousz was the scientist who first discovered the process of photosynthesis. Next question is, the chlorophyll molecule was first isolated by. The chlorophyll molecule was first isolated by two scientists named Kaventov and Pelletier. They first of all isolated the chlorophyll molecule. Next question is, in which type of plants the stomata remain open during the night and closed during the daytime? The question is asking that the stomata should get closed in the daytime and they should open in the night time. So this phenomena takes place in case of CAM plants or the crassulacean acid metabolism plants. Next question is, which photosynthetic pathway is also known as Hatch and Slack pathway? So the correct answer is C4 pathway. It is also known as Hatch and Slack pathway on the name of the scientist who discovered it. Next question is, the byproduct of photosynthesis is. In case of photosynthetic reactions, carbon dioxide and water are used, and in return food is made and oxygen is released. So the byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen, and the main product of photosynthetic reactions is glucose or the food of the plant. Next question is, the drop in photosynthetic yield is known as. So the drop in photosynthetic yield is known as red drop. Next question is, the food which is prepared as a result of photosynthesis is transported through. So we all know this question, that in a plant the food is transported through phloem. So whatever the food is prepared as a result of photosynthesis will be transferred by the phloem cells. Next question is, the light reaction of photosynthesis takes place in the. So the light reaction of photosynthesis takes place in the grana of the chloroplast. Next question is, in light reaction of photosynthesis, which of the following compounds are formed? In the light reaction of photosynthesis, ATP and NADPH2 are formed. Next question is, for the process of photosynthesis, the green plant requires. The options given are chlorophyll, light, water and carbon dioxide. So for the process of photosynthesis, a plant requires all of these things. It requires chlorophyll also, light also, water also and carbon dioxide molecule also. Next question is, light and dark reactions are the component of which of the following processes? The options given to you are respiration, photosynthesis, transpiration or photorespiration. So light and dark reactions are the components of photosynthetic reactions. Next question is, how many carbon dioxide molecules are utilized in the process of photosynthesis? This is the basic reaction of the photosynthesis, and we can see that 6 carbon dioxide molecules are utilized in the process of photosynthesis. Next question is, photosynthesis is a dash process. So photosynthesis is an anabolic reaction, or it is an anabolic process. Anabolic processes are the one in which the energy rich compound are formed. In case of photosynthesis, the food or the glucose is formed. So it is an anabolic process. Next question is, in the process of photosynthesis, the light energy is converted into. In this diagram, we can clearly see that in photosynthesis process, the light energy is converted into the chemical energy. So correct answer is, in the process of photosynthesis, the light energy is converted into the chemical energy. Next question is, one molecule of glucose contains how much energy? So the one molecule of glucose contains 686 kilocalories of energy. You don't have to get confused between 586, 786, 686 or 986. The correct answer is, one molecule of glucose contains 686 kilocalories of energy. Next question is, the first step in the process of photosynthesis is. So in the process of photosynthesis, the first step is when the chlorophyll molecules, they absorb the light and they become excited. So option C is right. Excitement of chlorophyll molecule through light. Next question is, the wavelength of photosynthetically active radiation. Photosynthetically active radiation is also known as PAR, that is PAR. So the radiations between 400 to 700 nanometer are considered as the best for photosynthesis, and this is known as photosynthetically active radiations. Next question is, the first stable compound of photosynthesis in case of CAM plants. We have discussed previously that in CAM plants, the stomata remain closed during the daytime and they opens in the night, and the first stable compound is malic acid. Next question is, an example of C3 plant is. Options given to you are rice, wheat, soybean or all of the above. So all these four plants, all these three plants, rice, wheat and soybean, belongs to the C3 category of the plants. Next question is, an example of C4 plant is. Options given to you are rice, maize, sugarcane, and the last option is both maize and sugarcane. So we know that rice is a C3 plant, but maize and sugarcane, these both are C4 plants. So correct answer is option D, that is both B and C. Maize and sugarcane both are C4 plants. Next question is, an example of CAM plants is. The options given are pineapple, cactus, orchids, all of the above. So all these plants, that is pineapple, cactus and orchids, these are the example of CAM plants. Next question again is asking that which of the following is a C4 plant. The options given to you are pineapple, rice, wheat and sugarcane. Pineapple is a CAM plant. Rice is a C3 plant. Wheat also is a C3 plant. So sugarcane is a C4 plant. So the correct answer is sugarcane is a C4 plant. These are some of the references from where I have collected material to prepare these questions. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you have gained some knowledge from it. Thank you so much.